What's up, everyone? My name is Marcus Fidane, and welcome to my channel where we discuss all things YouTube advertising. In this video, we'll be discussing different campaign types, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's get into this. Okay, so basically what we have here are all the 8 different campaign types you can run inside of Google Ads. Now, I'm going to quickly run through all of them just because they're here on the screen. And I'm going to specifically focus on the one that involve YouTube ad of some shape or form. So beginning at the top left-hand side here, we have search campaigns, not YouTube. It's about Google search. You've all seen Google search ads before, so I won't dive into too much of that. Performance max campaigns. This utilizes YouTube advertising. It also utilizes display, it utilizes the app network, it utilizes the search network. I've probably spent about $250,000 across multiple accounts, multiple clients, using performance max campaigns. They came out a year ago or so around there, and I had a lot of hit and miss with these campaigns. A lot of misses, actually, a lot of misses, and the hits were few far between. What I have found with performance max campaigns is that you can get a lot of results, like you can get a lot of leads and whatnot, but the problem with the leads that I found, the very, very low quality lead, like super low quality lead. If you're running like a high ticket offer of some sort, or even like a webinar, opt-in, or whatever it may be, I wouldn't use Performance Max campaign. I've seen Performance Max campaigns work pretty well for e-commerce. If you're new to YouTube, if you're new to Google advertising, I would not touch Performance Max campaigns just yet at all. So it's hit and miss. It can work. Sometimes it doesn't. A lot of times it does. Display campaign. Now, the display campaigns utilize the Google Display Network. The Google Display Network covers 90% of all internet users on the planet. What I use this for the most is for retargeting purposes. So if anyone that's visited your website or your funnel and didn't take an action, didn't take a proper action, so no name, email, phone number, no purchases, they got to checkout and they didn't make the purchase, bam, we can retarget that with banner ads. Now, it utilizes YouTube because YouTube is part of the display network. Next time you're watching your favorite YouTube video or a YouTube video, sometimes you'll notice a little banner ad that pops up along the bottom of the video, okay? That is the Google Display Network. That is an advertiser putting a banner in front of you, utilizing the display network. So the only time I would ever use this, when I'm doing retargeting. That's it. Shopping is part of the search network. I'm not gonna get into it. Has nothing to do with YouTube. Now video, yeah, this is where we live. This is our bread and butter. This is the cream. This is the goodness. This is the glory spot. Video, this is where we're gonna run 95% of all of our video ads will be here. If you haven't seen it already, you can check out my full YouTube advertising tutorial. The link to that will be up here. You'll find it there. This is a fantastic place to start. So if you're doing YouTube advertising, this is where you live. Apps, never done apps before, not to get into it. Smart campaigns are smart, smart campaigns are dumb. I've never had any success running smart campaigns. I've probably spent about $30,000, $40,000 on smart campaigns a long time ago, and they just don't work. Like, you can get a lot of reach and awareness and whatnot, but I've never had any success running campaigns to like high ticket offers, e-commerce offers, even low ticket offers, opt-ins that with smart campaigns. Never had any success with them. Lots of clicks, like tons of clicks, but no success as far as return on my ad spend. Okay, very, very little. So just big cross, don't touch it, don't use it. Now discovery campaigns are basically that. It's discovery, it's brand awareness, it's getting your name out there, the brand out there, okay? Now, these are really good for retargeting and for growing your channel. If you have like a YouTube channel, you want to grow it, you can use discovery ads for that purpose. Now, the type of YouTube ad you'll run inside a discovery ad is called an in-feed ad. And what in-feed ads are, they're basically like stagnant little ads on the right-hand side of a desktop on the search results. You see a little symbol that says ad on top. It looks like a search result, but it's actually an ad, right? And so you can like target like specific keywords or specific topics, utilize these in-feed ads, and it's really great for growing your YouTube channel or retargeting people who visit your page and not taking an action. Now, if you're on a mobile phone, for example, right, you're on your YouTube app, as you're scrolling through YouTube, through like the recommended or the search result or whatever it may be, every like fourth or fifth search result will actually be an ad, right? And it'll actually say, I think it actually says like ad on the top of it on your mobile device. So again, these types of ads right here are really good for, again, brand awareness and for retargeting purposes and growing your YouTube channel. Now, again, if I've done a video about growing your channel using YouTube ads, you can find that right up there. That's basically it for the different types of campaign types. So basically, in a nutshell, if you're running the YouTube ad, the vast majority of campaign type you'll be running, right? If you're running YouTube, it'll be your video campaigns and display campaigns. So you're running video campaigns to send traffic to your website, to your funnel, and you're gonna be running display campaigns to retarget people who don't take the profitable action in your sales process and your funnel or on your website. And that's basically about it. Look guys, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like this video, comment on the video, share this video, and as always, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all my other upcoming training and tutorial videos that will be coming out this year, 2023. And we'll see you in the next video.